quite ready for the ticks just yet.
You know, bugs don't bother me that much, but ticks, talk about like the worst things, right?
Oh,
I mean, gosh.
I got into a nest of ticks one time, man. That was,
Oh my God. No thanks.
yeah.
No thanks. Hopefully maybe there's already some out and this cool down helps kind of keep them at bay, but I don't know. Coming up later this week. Right now though, a pretty mild start. We've got some sunshine showing up in the eastern sky. Actually a gorgeous sunrise out there. Just a few high thin clouds adding some color to the sky. Live view from the Perryville Airport. That breeze blowing from the south already, and it's going to be a strong wind this afternoon. Talking about some gust over 30 miles per hour possible. Most of the daylight hours dry, and today the warmest day of the entire week. Rain holds off until the later part of the afternoon and mainly focused for much of the region later on this evening. But a strong cold front sweeps through tonight. It keeps some drizzle around on Wednesday, but the bigger story is really the end of this week. Thursday, Friday mornings, we're talking temperatures possibly back into the 20s in a few spots, maybe very near record low temperatures by Friday morning. Waking up right now though, if you head out, temperatures are into the upper 40s and lower 50s, about 10 to 15 degrees warmer than this time yesterday morning. Lots of warm weather streaming up through the plains out ahead of this cold front, even to our North Chicago right now at 51, Kansas City to the west there at 57, and Oklahoma City at 58. Now on the other side of the cold front, lots of cold air now making its way down through the plains. Sioux City down to 37. There's some 20s showing up back into western Nebraska and into Colorado as well. But high pressure yesterday keeping lots of blue sky, lots of sunshine around. That high now well to our east, and watching a lot of high thin clouds move in from the west. There's the cold front to the west. Still no rain on that front. That will change this afternoon as those isobars have stacked up. Now here comes the rain later on today. Out ahead of it, temperatures into the lower 70s by about 3 p.m. Some showers start to show up out across the Missouri Ozarks, and then they spread eastward later on this evening. So by 6 p.m. Most of us covered up in some rain. Not anticipating much in the way of severe weather, but a flash of lightning, a rumble of thunder, a possibility. Cold front moves on through. The rain still lingering around through Wednesday morning. Temperatures falling though, and again not anticipating much in the way of severe weather, but there is a small chance for an isolated strong storm, mainly to our far southern counties, Missouri, Boot Heel, parts of northwest Tennessee. The Storm Prediction Center highlighting them in a level 1 today. And not a lot of rain across southern Illinois and southeast Missouri. Some spots actually less than 1/4 of an inch. Heaviest rain into western Kentucky and parts of northwest Tennessee. Near the Tennessee-Kentucky line, we could see some totals close to an inch. And of course the breeze today from the south helping to warm temperatures up this afternoon. Gusts 30 to 35 miles per hour today. But tomorrow that wind turns more out of the north and west, and some gusts still 25 to 30 miles per hour Wednesday afternoon. Of course the temperatures then falling. So 40 degrees tomorrow morning. Will drop back on Thursday morning down to about 29 and 28, a possibility there on Friday morning. Frost really looking likely on Friday morning. So a light freeze, possibly even a hard freeze in a few spots. We'll start to bounce back those morning low temperatures warming back up once we head into the weekend. So right now the forecast on Friday morning, 28 degrees. Our records, a lot of these records date back from 1961 there. Lots of low to mid 20s. So this is not unheard of cold this late in the season. I know a lot of times when you talk to folks around, you oftentimes think about maybe that last cold spell, and this is really winter's last stand coming up this later this week. So 72 today, high temperature tomorrow, only 50. Thursday morning, 29 in the morning, afternoon high of 48. Then Friday morning, 28. We'll start to bounce back though this weekend. We're back in the mid 60s by Saturday and Sunday. Of course, that's Easter Sunday. 70 degrees for a high temperature and lots of 70s into next week. First full week of April there with some more rain chances. Those April showers likely going to be bringing some May flowers.